I had only recently discovered how many characters there are in the Henry Hoover universe.
Is there a woke one? Are they pushing their culture on us?
Let's guess who's the woke one. I mean, obviously, your eyes are drawn first to Hetty.
You are looking right at Hetty Hoover.
Yeah.
I mean, she is pink. She seems to be the only woman as well.
I do like at least that there doesn't seem to be like a bow in her hair or whatever. Like apart from
She's got the
pinkness.
eyelashes, but
She's got the eyelashes,
she does
yeah.
have the eyelashes.
but you know they could have gone way harder for sure. You know they could have given her like DSLs.
I mean, she's got a DSN. They all do.
She's got a
They're fucking
DSN,
Hoovers.
exactly. She didn't need the L's.